ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಓದಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yeah, because of this need paper leak, already the people are already attend the exam. They have written the exam. After that, they are saying that we will give the re-exam. What is the issue? They are not at all taking up. And next, what is the student's future? If we are writing the exam, somebody is doing some issues, some creating the problems. If somebody is having nice amount, they are just giving the money, everything is going on money only, influenced money. And where is the future of students? There is no genuinity for studying. If the Shruti Ramaya, yeah.
Because of NEET scam has gone the paper leaked. Because of that, we are making the protest on the MP Sudhakar. Because of students, we give the protection to everywhere. The big people who's there, they are taking the paper and making the that sons to make the highest score. That is the main thing. They are buying the paper, and the low people, students and village people, are they making the loans and getting the fees to 2 years, the burdening and getting the now.
So you are staging protest against central government?
Yeah, central government, sir.
What you are demanding?
We are demanding to this one justice for the students. That because of that, we want the students to get the justice for the poor people. The main thing, the poor people, the village side, the people, we want the justice.